Hello everyone, this is Jason from Swing Traders. Welcome to our daily market updates. Today Nifty opened at 17,401 and they have made a high of 17,548. Now closed at 17,525, about 0.73% higher. Nifty Mid Cap moved 0.80%, Nifty Bank moved 0.84% and Nifty Financial Services moved 0.93%. And there is a management commentary from Stovecraft by Mr. Rajendra Gandhi. Looking to maintain 11% margin, first and fourth quarters are generally weak for the company. Expecting quarter 2 of financial year 23 to be subsequently better. Expect e-commerce channels to be better in quarter 2 of financial year 23. LED business is best performing segment. Investing more on manpower. Marketing spends at 4% in financial year 23. Mr. Abhilash Narayan of Standard Chartered Bank has commented, Indian equities will be choppy in the near-term market. Earnings growth in India looks fairly robust. Foreign positioning in India is quite light. OPEC has challenges in ramping up capacity. Any policy measures in China will be incremental. Expect 19 to 20% earnings growth for Indian equities. So he is positive about the Indian equities and he is also choppy about the Indian market in the near term. He has also said US jobs data surprised on the upside. Apart from the headline numbers, wage growth has risen. Participation rate in the US labor market has declined. Last week's jobs number has risen the odds of a 75 bps hike in September. Semiconductor stocks likely to benefit turned bullish on Indian equities last month. There is a management commentary from Mr. Mayank Singhal of PA Industries. Volume growth in exports higher due to uptick in demand. Have been able to get better price realization in domestic market. Domestic market will do better in quarter 2. Agro commodity prices continue to rise. Margin will improve in financial year 23 due to better operational efficiencies. Should be able to do margin expansion of 100 bps. Looking at few targets for acquisition. So next update was about Blue Star. They have won an order worth 375 crore. And there is a FMCG quarterly snapshot. India FMCG hits double-digit growth again in quarter 2. Recovery in consumption. Urban markets revive with positive volume growth compared to slower recovery in rural markets. Consumption recovery led by unit growth as consumers move to smaller pack sizes and grammage. Reduction from manufacturers is in key price. Small manufacturers show positive volume growth after 3 quarters of being in the red. Next update was about the trade which we gave in our WhatsApp broadcast. This trade was given in 1st August. BHARATWIRE at 65. BHARATWIRE we took at 65 at this level. We took it because BHARATWIRE has given a trend line breakout at this point and they were trying to give a up move but they were not successful on that and they give a retracement. At this after this retracement level we took it and today they have given a 20% upper circuit. It's now almost 35% up from our entry price. We are trailing the stock with a stop loss at 70. Next update was about POWERMECH, which is also we have given in our WhatsApp broadcast. We gave an entry at 25th July at 910. We took an entry at this level, which is also a trend line breakout and they were trying to move up but they failed and they have given a retracement. From there when they showed a strength we entered and the stock is now moving. Now we are trailing the stock with a stop loss at 940. And there is a news that India's NTPC exploring to setting up nuclear power capacity. Next update was about RIL. They are having an AGM meeting at August 29. This is about their past AGM meeting updates. And there is an update from Nykaa. Nykaa is a fashion stock which went into IPO recently. They have given IPO at 2,200 levels and they have given a minimal gains up to 2,400 level. But they failed to satisfy investors as they were highly priced. Nykaa has fallen from 2,400 levels to 1,400 levels now. They have commented as fashion average order values will continue to increase. AOV of beauty business is largely stable. Gross margin has improved partially because of higher service income. There is further room for gross margin improvement. Growth momentum from Q1 will continue into financial year 23. Acquisitions of company are value additive. Will continue to add physical retail stores. About Tata Communications, company has enhanced its Insta platform with digital features. Company partners with Genesis to further transform customer engagement. Electricity Amendment Bill 2022 sent to Standing Committee on Energy for examination. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said that windfall tax is reviewed periodically. All relevant factors including international prices are considered. Crude producers like ONGC were making supernormal profits. Diesel petrol ATF prices rose even more sharply. Diesel petrol ATF exports had extraordinary cracking margins. The cess duties are imposed in this background. HFCL company collaborates with Qualcomm for 5G millimeter wave FWA product development. Finance Ministry on Lok Sabha. Time taken for resolution depends on several factors including the nature of business cycle, market sentiments and market effort. As on June 30, 2022, total 1,999 CIRPs are ongoing, on which 436 are in real estate sector. During COVID-19 pandemic period, there has been a general slowdown in the distressed asset market. There is a news that India could scrap 40% duty on wheat imports. Next update was about Madras Fertilizers, which we have already took at 48.22. They have announced their results today. They have announced a profit of 63 crore versus 24.9 crore year on year, and they have announced the EBITDA at 103 crore versus 52.4 crore. Margins at 12.6% versus 10.5%. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and give your feedbacks in the comment box below.